Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to make an alarm on a Windows 11 laptop. Follow the steps in this video for those of you who want to turn on the alarm on your laptop, so that you remember the schedule that has been determined using the alarm. The first step, please type this sentence in the search engine below. If it appears, just click. Here you can set it according to what you want. Click Save if you have changed the settings according to what you want. Then you can do other activities on your laptop, and the alarm will start at the time you created, while your laptop is on. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button to get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.